as you walk along the bridge, there's like name tags of all the people who helped out. So that's all along the bridge here. Yes. Up the ladder.
It's cold.
Up the ladder she goes.
I don't know, it's my first time ever doing this with Ben, but I have done it before. I think he thinks I'm afraid of heights or some shit. But I'm not. I'm just... What do you mean when it's clear? Ah. It's very wet, so you want to make sure you've got a good grip and good footing so you don't slip.
Whew. Right, so up the top now.
Very cold.
It's quite a steep, kind of
It's
very
steep.
It's a steep ladder, but we made it up. And this is the lookout. Whoa, is this moving? Am I moving?
It moves.
It moves.
It moves with the tree, with the wind. So.
Well, this is what it looks like up here. Oh, it's moving.
It moves.
Haha.